breaking news. A tsunami is hitting Tonga right now after more severe volcanic activity there.
Tonga's capital, Nuku'alofa, is covered in a thick film.
In the heart of Tonga, beneath a shroud of volcanic dust, a relentless force stirs. Volcanoes, those iconic symbols of nature's wrath, are not always as they seem. Some, silent yet deadly, lie concealed beneath the ocean's surface. Now, the largest of these underwater giants has awakened, its risk of eruption soaring by 360%. This is a volcanic explosivity index 6 event, a phenomenon not witnessed since Krakatoa in the 19th century, and it threatens to reshape our world. Welcome to Universal Narratives, where we venture deep into the Earth's mysteries. While we may rarely witness major volcanic eruptions today, their capacity to shake our very existence remains ever present. Join us on a journey into the heart of chaos, where past and present converge, and where the fate of our world hangs in the balance. Deep in the heart of the South Pacific Ocean, a geological marvel emerges from obscurity, casting a shadow over the tranquil waters. Hungatanga Hunga Ha'apai, an underwater volcano, is a testament to the Earth's restless nature. This enigmatic giant resides along the Kermadec-Tonga Ridge, a dynamic geological feature born from the relentless dance of tectonic plates, the Pacific Plate and the Indo-Australian Plate. The result? A sprawling expanse of islands and volcanoes concealed beneath the ocean's serene facade. Hungatanga Hunga Ha'apai, with its predominantly submerged state, is an anomaly. Only two small volcanic islands, aptly named Hungatanga and Hungapai, break the ocean's surface, standing as silent sentinels to the volcanic turmoil below. They serve as remnants of the once mighty calderas that define the volcano's northern and western boundaries. The physical dimensions of this submerged giant defy comprehension. Its base, a colossal expanse measuring 20 kilometers in diameter, sprawls across the ocean floor. From this expansive foundation, Hungatanga Hunga Ha'apai ascends with grandeur, reaching an awe-inspiring height of approximately 2,000 meters toward the ocean's surface. For years, the volcano's caldera remained concealed, submerged approximately 490 feet below sea level, measuring 2.5 miles in length and a mile in width. The dynamic nature of volcanic activity continually reshaped its landscape, with each eruption leaving its mark, dating back to the distant year of 1108 CE. However, recent events have jolted the world's understanding of this underwater giant. In December 2021, an unprecedented event unfolded as Hungatanga Hunga Ha'apai erupted. The eruption was of such magnitude that it cast a looming plume of volcanic ash into the sky, visible from the town of Nuku'alofa. The Volcanic Ash Advisory Center in Wellington issued timely advisories to airlines, urging them to take precautionary measures in response to the volcanic activity. The intensity of this eruption was astounding. The explosions could be heard up to 110 miles away from the epicenter. The initial eruption phase raged into the early hours of the following day, ceasing around 2 a.m. on December 21st, 2021. However, this initial eruption was merely a precursor to further cataclysmic events. By December 25th, 2021, satellite imagery revealed that the island had undergone significant expansion, a phenomenon witnessed after previous eruptions in this region. As volcanic activity gradually subsided, a declaration of dormancy was made on January 11th. Just when relief seemed within reach, Hungatanga Hunga Ha'apai roared back to life on January 14th, unleashing an ash cloud that extended up to 12 miles into the atmosphere. The subsequent day witnessed a violently explosive eruption, surpassing the intensity of the December event. This time, the volcanic plume ascended a staggering 36 miles into the mesosphere, setting a record for the highest elevation reached by a volcanic plume. The repercussions reverberated across vast distances, with reports of deafening booms reaching Tonga, Fiji, New Zealand, Australia, and even as far as Alaska, a remarkable 6,200 miles away from the source. Shockwaves generated by the eruption reached the United Kingdom. The enormity of this volcanic event surpassed any benchmarks set by previous eruptions. It was of a scale comparable to the force generated by a hydrogen bomb, as suggested by a comprehensive study in Science Advances. The study, led by Sam Purkis, a marine geoscientist from the University of Miami, unveiled the magnitude of this geological event. This multidisciplinary approach combined satellite data, direct field observations, and drone mapping to construct a vivid simulation of the eruption and its far-reaching impacts. The simulation vividly depicted the eruption's progression and its ripple effects, which manifested as unbelievable tsunami waves. Towering tsunami waves with heights reaching up to 148 feet on Tonga's Tafua Island and 56 feet on Tonga Tapu added to the sheer power and impact of the event. Shockingly, these waves were even felt as far as the United Kingdom. The distance alone underscores the magnitude of this eruption, which dwarfed even the most powerful nuclear explosions in history. The study delved deeper into the mechanisms that led to the formation of these devastating tsunamis. It revealed that the eruption had released an unprecedented volume of water vapor into the atmosphere, equivalent to 58,000 swimming pools. This infusion of water vapor carries implications for the planet's climate, potentially leading to temporary warming in the years ahead. The eruption also established a record for the highest volcanic plume in the satellite record, projecting ash an astonishing 36 miles into the atmosphere. Additionally, it initiated atmospheric waves that traveled at an astonishing speed of 720 miles per hour, encircling the globe multiple times. In the aftermath of the eruption, researchers on the ground, including Shane Cronin from the University of Auckland, conducted meticulous assessments of the damage. The landscape bore witness to the destructive force unleashed by the eruption, with downed trees and vegetation lining the coast, affirming the magnitude of the event that had reverberated across the region. The eruptions on January 15th unfolded in a series of blasts, ranging from relatively minor to cataclysmic. Witnesses reported two initial, relatively less impactful explosions, followed by two louder, more significant booms, which triggered the initial tsunami waves. The climactic fifth blast emerged as the most powerful, comparable in force to the most significant nuclear tests conducted by the United States. This final blast led to a staggering displacement of seawater, resulting in the formation of a colossal local tsunami. In the epicenter of this blast, individuals would have found themselves standing on what was, moments earlier, dry sea floor, a scenario unimaginable mere minutes before the eruption. The blast excavated a crater, causing the surrounding water to rush in at a velocity that is beyond comprehension, reaching speeds of over 400 miles per hour. The implications of such a volcanic cataclysm were manifold, impacting not only the immediate vicinity, but also the global landscape. Immediate humanitarian concerns included the welfare of the Tongan people, who faced life-threatening challenges, including water contamination and food shortages. Moreover, the eruption's far-reaching consequences included damage to underwater communication cables, affecting internet connectivity worldwide. The global scientific community rallied to respond to this unprecedented event. Researchers and scientists launched drone missions to closely monitor the impact and geology of the newly formed volcanic island. While the island continued to grow, there were concerns about its stability, posing potential hazards to ships navigating the region. Hungatanga Hunga Ha'apai's eruption marked an extraordinary geological spectacle that unveiled the colossal power concealed within the Earth's mantle. This underwater giant, often shrouded in obscurity, emerged with a vengeance, altering the landscape of the South Pacific and beyond. The devastating tsunamis, the unparalleled volcanic plume, and the atmospheric repercussions will remain etched in scientific annals, reminding us of the intricate dance between Earth's elements and our attempts to comprehend the forces that shape our world. Hungatanga Hunga Ha'apai will continue to captivate the imagination of scientists, explorers, and storytellers, serving as a poignant reminder of the ceaseless dynamism of our planet. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. If you enjoyed the content and want to stay connected, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to bring you more exciting videos. Join our growing community today and be a part of the adventure.